And so even a smaller install, it's much better performance.
And I think that's where the flexibility does come in with this product, right? And it presents an excellent value proposition to the installer community, that if we're able to install the main unit in that location rather than run extensive amounts of copper on the donor end, it's almost a no-brainer.
Yeah.
It's almost shocking that this is one of the first products that uses this
We're
technology.
real happy about the architecture. It really fits, from our experience with a lot of these installs, it really fits it perfectly.
So from a real world benefit perspective, right? I want to talk a little bit about future proofing, which is always a very key conversation that any building owner wants some clarity on, right? And I know that we've been talking prior to this conversation on some of the scalability with regards to adding additional boxes into this system. So talk about that for us.
Well, we support in each master unit, we support up to 4 remote units. So typically a customer will use maybe 1 or 2 to cover the space they need. They may find there's a capacity issue or that they don't have coverage in a certain area, and so they can add another one in for minimal cost of just one RU, run the fiber up to the master unit, and now you have much more coverage. So it's very scalable as far as enhancing your coverage. But we also can scale to different technologies. So we can add a C-band onto it. It's just dropping a box in and then combine the outputs, and it's very, very simple. It uses the same fiber going across it, so it's very scalable. You just put a box on each side, and you can add more bands. We can add new bands as they come in. So it's building or add new bands as they come in.